Welcome to the Beast of Africa. Today we are diving into the heart of Tanzania, the land of ancient plains, roaring sunset, and the most powerful feline on earth, the lion. But isn't your average wildlife documentary. This is the wild. This is real. This is an epic African adventure like none other. Tanzania is a home of 50,000 lions, the largest population in the world. From the golden plains of Serengeti to the woodlands of Ruaha and the breathtaking Ngorongoro Crater, these epic predators rule the wild like truly royals. But don't get twisted, lions aren't just lazy cats laying under acacia trees. No. These beasts are powerful, organized, and shockingly strategic. Think lion life is chill. Think again. Imagine a gang of lions 15 strong, with a muscle, brains, and attitude that a pride it's run by a dominant male, or sometimes a coalition of bros. These are just big boys. These are fighters, challengers, roll in and try to take the thrones. If they win, the old king is exiled, or worse, hush, welcome to the wild. Females, they are the real MVPs, hunters, moms, strategists, doing night hunts, soaking silently across the savannah, according to like the naval seals. These can bring down twice their weight, and if they do it as a team. Picture this, midnight, the wind shift, a herd of wildebeest grazes unaware of the grass. A lioness crouches, her eyes locked in, flick of a tail, boom! Full sprint, a lioness charge the bullets through the darkest dust, uploads, hooves, and thunders within seconds. Dinner is served. But not only always win, lions fail more hunts than they succeed. Often 7 out of 10. That's the cost of being a predator. No supermarket out there, it's all or nothing. And just when you think it's all about the power, it comes the cubs. Fluffy, clumsy, absolutely adorable. But in this kingdom, survival is no games. Cubs rely on pride protection. If a new male takes over, he might wipe out the previous king offsprings. Brutal, yes, but it's part of nature's cycle. If they make it, these cubs grow into the future hunters, future rulers. Watching them grow is like witnessing the next generation of royalty training for the crown. But the lion's world is changing. Human conflict, shrinking habits, illegal hunting threaten the future of the beast. 100 years ago, Africa had 200,000 lions. Now, fewer than 20,000 remain. Tanzania is the last stronghold. That's why the Beast of Africa, we don't just show you lions, we fight for their survival. Even every safari supports local conservatives. Every trip educates. Every photo you snap helps preserve the roar of the wild. So, what are you waiting for? Don't just watch on your big screen. Come face to face with the kings of Tanzania. Walk their path, hear the roars, and become part of the wild story of Africa can tell. This is not a zoo. This is not a documentary. This is the Beast of Africa. And your safari adventure starts now.